Missing important deadlines such as contract expiry dates or invoice due dates can result in costs for businesses through late payment fees or financial penalty clauses. Most organisations rely on manual monitoring processes to ensure that important deadline dates are adhered to, despite manual processes being prone to error. mFiles is a powerful information management platform that automates business processes using one of the most powerful workflow engines on the market. mFiles also has a range of generative AI tools built in that enable users to extract information from their documents to drive business process automation. In this short video, we will look at how mFiles can be used to automatically extract a contract deadline date from a document and notify the appropriate personnel when the contract is due to expire. Here we have a service agreement that expires on the 25th of May 2025. Our business rules specify that the executive management team must be notified when a service agreement is within 30 days of expiry. Now we will file the service agreement into mFiles. mFiles' generative AI assistant, Aino, analyses the document to firstly match the correct class to file the document against. We can now confirm Aino's class suggestion of a service agreement. We can also see that Aino has correctly identified a range of relevant metadata from the document's contents and automatically populated a range of metadata fields for us. Here we can see that Aino has correctly identified the name of the client, along with the contract's effective date and expiry date. Aino has also identified that the agreement is not a perpetual contract, as it contains an expiry date. It has also identified the external signatory, Jessica White, and she has been tagged to this document. We now click on Create to file the document into mFiles. The document will go into an mFiles workflow, which has been configured to send an email notification to members of the executive management team when the agreement is within 30 days of its expiry date. Now that the document has been filed into mFiles, we can see that the desktop application has flagged the document's workflow state as a service agreement due to expire. The document has now been assigned to the relevant personnel via the mFiles desktop application for their attention. Those users are able to move the document forward in the workflow to either service agreement terminated or client contacted to renegotiate the agreement. Using an mFiles dynamic view, we can set up filter-based shortcuts to specific information, such as our contracts that are due to expire. Here, we can see at a glance clearly which contracts are due to expire, their expiry date, and who the document is currently assigned to for attention. By clicking the Metadata tab, we can see more in-depth information about the document, and we can also access a preview of the document if required. At the same time, mFiles has also sent an email notification to members of the executive management team with an advisory that this agreement document is due to expire and that they should initiate renegotiation of the contract with the client. mFiles' generative AI assistant, Aino, opens up a world of possibilities for driving business process automation. With Aino capable of extracting a broad range of information from documents held within M files to be used as metadata, missed deadlines become a thing of the past. Contact Innovative Content Management today for a free consultation to explore how M files and Aino can drive efficiencies for your organisation. Thanks for listening.